Oscar, buddy. Are you kidding me, dude? You're taking all the furniture. Even all the artwork is dedicated to you. It's delivery day. We got 2 hypercars coming today. You know, I always say there's no day quite like delivery day, but in this scenario, there's no day quite like deliveries day. That's right, we got 2 cars. And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. Now, I know I need to buy some furniture. The problem is, I don't have any time. So many cars are arriving here to the house all at once. Yesterday, the 18-wheeler dropped off the Lamborghini Espada, and today, we have 2 hypercars arriving to the house simultaneously. I did not plan for this. I don't know how this happened. The first car is going to be here at 9 a.m. The second car is going to be here at 12:30. Both coming from very different locations across the United States of America. The first truck is going to be here in 15 minutes. Neither of these cars are mine, okay? I am temporarily storing these hypercars. I know, it's cool, it's really cool. Now the car in the first trailer is owned by the Hamilton Collection. If you haven't heard of the Hamilton Collection, they have one of the best hypercar collections in the world. They also have a YouTube channel, which I'm gonna link in the description below. The second car arrives at 12:30. You guys have seen this car before, but both cars are arriving simultaneously the same day. Absolutely crazy. The first week here at the house, we're learning a lot about the parking situation. 18-wheelers are no good. Truck and a trailer is how you do it. So we're trying to back up the trailer onto the driveway. This car is very, 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 very low to the ground. And the last thing we want to do is tear apart the carbon fiber splitter. This car has quite a bit of carbon fiber, yeah. This is the most expensive car you've ever delivered. Yes. By a long shot. You guys have seen this car on the interwebs. This is not my car. I do not own this car. And assuming we get this door open, you guys are gonna be so excited. This is exactly what we needed, the WD-40. Come on, baby. Let's get it, let's get it. Oh, yes. Oh, there we go. The moment of truth. Oh my goodness. I have absolutely no idea how this is happening in 1 week. What a memorable week. We just moved into the house. We got the Lamborghini Espada, and now we are taking delivery of the Pagani Huayra. But as I was saying, Pagani. So of course the Pagani Huayra has the famed butterfly doors, and getting them open in this trailer, come on, baby. Doesn't want to unlock. This is a very unexpected sequence in the vlog. The doors don't want to open. The car does not want to unlock. Look at this. We're learning all sorts about the Pagani. So there is a manual key, so we should be able to open it. I think the car might have a dead battery, though. Baby, does it not turn? I think it'll turn. Be careful. Oh, I don't want to break it. It's not my car either. Very interesting. We got it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay. The butterfly door is very. Are we good? Yeah. Can I get in? Finish. Okay. I gotta finesse in there. What? I don't think you guys can really see exactly what I'm doing right now. I am finessing my way inside a Pagani Huayra that I'm pretty sure is gonna have a dead battery. Oh, this is sick. Please turn on. Please turn on. Oh goodness. I'm in neutral. Nothing. This is a heavy car. This is not gonna work. Okay, never mind. I'm calling Pagani service right now. I don't know what to do. It's crazy when you think about it. Every single decision I've ever made in my entire life has led me to this exact moment in time in which I'm sitting in a dead Pagani Huayra on hold with the Pagani service department. I never imagined that would happen. I'm hoping there's a kill switch maybe, because we have no power whatsoever. The ignition won't turn on. I really hope it doesn't have a dead battery because I've heard the horror stories.
Hey, brother, as soon as I was trying to transfer you over, he actually got a call. So let me just, I can either have you on hold or I can have him call you right back.
Right here to the left of the steering wheel, there's a button. You guys can't see it, but we're showing power right there. Okay, this could work. Come on, baby. Yeah. Come on, let's go. No, come on. Yeah, really? Yeah, it's good. We got nothing. We got lights, though. Are you kidding me? Come on. I was sure we had it. Really? What's going on? We have lights. The windows don't go down. The kill switch, I think we have to push it off and maybe jump start it. I'm trying to summarize the current situation to you guys right now. I have a Pagani Huayra at my house that has a dead battery, presumably. Honestly, I have no idea for sure. I don't own the car, and the two of us have to somehow push out the car out the driveway without destroying the $2.5 million car, yeah. We're currently watching Doug DeMuro in Russian right now, trying to figure out if there's anything we can do before trying to push the car out. I don't know if you guys can tell, this trailer is so incredibly narrow, and the Huayra is so incredibly wide, and it's just Pavel and I. And Pavel and I, we've been working out, like we got the muscle we need, but
Видите эти маленькие серебряные
I don't know Russian, Pavel. I don't know what he's saying. No, so the Huayra Roadster has a push button. The Huayra Coupe doesn't. So on the convertible, it has a push button, but on the coupe, you have to turn the key. So this one doesn't have a push button. Only on the Roadster, yeah. So the Huayra Roadster has a push button start. The Wyra Coupe, you have to turn it. So this, yeah, kind of a different car. We're currently trying to use Google Translate to communicate right now. So Pavel's gonna push, I'm gonna sit in the car, and I'm gonna try to engage neutral. So if you use your muscle and push, I don't think that, Okay. I was trying to explain to Pavel, if you hold it in neutral like that, because otherwise you just must go back to drive. Maybe? Nothing? Oh, come on, Pagani. We got nothing. Okay. Currently trying to FaceTime Steve with the Hamilton collection. He's probably still in bed. Oh! What are you doing, bro? Where are you at?
We're out on the golf course.
Dude, I'm sorry. Oh, that's why Tommy won't pick up. I see. Your guys' Pagani is stuck in the trailer.
What does that even mean?
It's dead. It has a dead battery.
You take apart like the side luggage thing, it comes off real easy, and then the battery is accessible, and then you can run a jump charger to that.
Do you guys know how to get the car into neutral so we can push it out of the trailer? What? You guys don't know.
That's a Dallas question. I'm really sorry.
No, you're good, dude. No, I've been on the phone with them. They've been awesome. So for whatever reason, we can't get the car to engage neutral. So the new plan of attack, we're gonna jump start the battery, but you'll never guess. The battery in a Pagani Huayra is underneath the rear deck lid. The rear deck lid opens up like this. It's very, very tall. This trailer is very, very short. We need special reinforcements. We need a special human being. We need a superhero. As I mentioned, we need a superhero. A superhuman. Baby Berlacher in the house. He is back, ladies and gentlemen. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the power, the muscle, the grit, the determination that is a Baby Berlacher driving a smart car. Yes. So the Huayra's dead. We can't get it to engage neutral, and it's just Pavel and I, and now you.
So we're gonna just pick it up and move it?
Yeah.
It's carbon fiber, right?
That's why you're here.
It's light.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, some of you guys may or may not know, there's two straps on both sides of this rear deck lid, but you have to have the doors open to actually unstrap it and actually open the rear deck lid, and obviously we're in the perfect place to do this in a trailer that is 8 feet wide. And of course we have the fine Italian leather strap right here. We gotta unclip this. Bada bing, bada come on. We have to have the door the door has to be like more open. You're never gonna guess. So the problem is to open up the rear deck lid, you have to have the doors all the way open. The problem is the doors can't open up all the way.
Are you certified for this?
No, absolutely not. I know nothing about this car. Let me state this for the 5th time today. This is not my $2.5 million car. I do not own this car. Get the key out of the car. It's like $100,000 key. I don't know. It just.
Wow. You did say you weren't certified, so it's expected.
Are you kidding me? Well, why wouldn't it come out? So we're gonna try pushing the car for another time because now we have Berlacher strength. Pavel's strength and ice strength is good strength, but Berlacher strength is next level. The problem is, can he actually get back there? Thick thighs save lives, but in this scenario,
Thick thighs save.
Yes, sir.
Is that new?
Yes, sir. No, you see?
I mean,
it's stuck. No, but it's stuck in park. Like it'll always move a little bit, but it's definitely stuck in park. No, Is this an okay time?
It's never a bad time.
I currently have a dead Pagani Huayra in a trailer right now, and
Jesus Christ, good luck.
that's not what I wanted to hear, Houston.
Can you open the back?
No. That's the problem. I can't get it to engage neutral. We want to push it out of the trailer, but like the car's stuck in park.
The only way, you have to open the rear hatch of the car.
But you have to have the doors open to get the rear hatch open, right?
Correct.
But I can't get the trailer's so narrow, I can't get the doors open.
The windows are down or no?
No. Windows are up.
You're literally going to have to drag that car out of there, dude.
Really? So you were telling me to tow this Pagani Huayra out of the trailer forcefully?
That's right.
Houston. It's not my car.
Okay, well the other option is to cut the trailer.
We thought about that. Initially this was kind of sort of funny, but now I realize this is a pretty bad situation. We might have to return the car back to Dallas. Like, I have no idea what to do. Houston is suggesting we actually tow the car out. The car has no power at all. I can't open the rear deck lid. I can't jump start the car. The car is stuck in park. We can't push it out. I don't know what to do. I've said this a million times. I don't own this car. I don't want this liability. Oh, goodness. It's that time in the vlog again. We're doing this for about the 90th time. So there's a battery tender in the passenger seat right here. We're gonna try plugging it in. and maybe we can get some power. This is insane. Let's see what we have here in the Pagani box. It should be a battery tender of sorts. Okay. I don't even know where to begin, so I'm gonna run around the house, try to find some extension cords, run extension cords from the house to the trailer, to the wire, to the trickle charger. Hopefully we can get enough power, get the car in neutral, and push it off the trailer. Unbelievable. Take delivery of Pagani Huayra. Best day of your life. Best day of your life. RIP to my Wi-Fi. Extension cord number 1. And then right here we have extension cord number 2. Presumably this outlet has power. Pavel coming in clutch with another extension cord right here. I think we're gonna make this work. Now the concern is, I think we're gonna get very close, but I don't think, okay, no, we're gonna make it. I was told the trickle charger is somewhere on the passenger side in the side intake, right? Okay, so this is gonna be the ugliest take in all of my channel right now, but right here, okay, can't see. Come on, okay. We should be plugged in. We should be good, baby. I'm in the weirdest position right now. The Pagani Huayra and I are I'm literally stuck. I can't, The good news is we have confirmed we do have power. We got 2 lights right here out of 7 though, which means the battery is very dead. We could be here, honestly, all day long. This is really good news. We got flicking lights right now. Okay, so we do have power. Where's the key? Do you have the key? Who has the key? Does Pablo have the key? We don't even need the car to turn on. We just need neutral. Come on, baby. I can't even turn the key. We got the flicking lights right there, though. I got nothing. Parking brake's down, over into neutral, but it doesn't do anything. It's stuck in park. Really? We have interior lights. No, we got interior lights. Look, we got lights. We gotta turn those off. Why are they on? This is a fantastic sign. We now have interior lights. Come on, Pagani, coming to life. Come on, baby. We got lights, Burlacker. You see that? We got lights. He's so happy. No, the window went down. No, wow, bro. I had the screen. He can't even hear me. But that's a representation of how I feel.
People need to appreciate the agility you have. Look at this.
Oh gosh.
So smooth. You're like Gumby.
Gumby?
Yeah,
is that a compliment?
Depends.
You've been doing a lot of That's a compliment. I'm like Gumby. I don't know who Gumby is, but you know what? I'll take it.
I'll say this, you and the Pagani, you look good together.
Pagani.
Give us a pose. Pagani. There it is.
I have to point out, Pavel got here at 8:30 a.m. It's currently 11:39 a.m. Well, I don't really know what to do. We can't get the car to neutral. We can't open up the rear deck lid. We can't jump start the car. The trickle charger's not doing anything. It's not my car. It's $2.5 million. This car is worth more than my entire house. Like, this is not my call. I'm not gonna drag this car out on a tow truck. I think the car might head back to Dallas. I don't know what to do. Burlacker doesn't know what to do.
I know what to do.
What?
Let's eat pizza.
Pizza, baby. And on that bombshell, that beautiful, glorious bombshell, today's video, sequel coming soon, is over.
You got something?
No.